don't worry.
And boys they keep putting up rotten hair gel ends, and then other male duck people complain about the smell of it.
But I can't say anything to him, can I? Eh? Otherwise he'll know
Wakey,
that it
wakey.
was me what done it. Oh, there you are. I have good news. The gas board has just given us the all clear to move back into the house. That's been there when I needed you. That's all right, boy.
He's completely awake.
You know what? I reckon someone's dropped a kebab in your hot air duct. Oh, and do you know that contract I was telling you about? Oh, yeah. Well, I've got to go and sign it next Wednesday in Paris. Oh, go on. I want you to drive me there to make the right impression. So go and hire us a nice vehicle. Hire a nice vehicle? Have you got a showroom for a car? Yes, well, one that's going to get us there. It's only money after all. You don't mind if I take your staff away, do you? No, not at all. In fact, I think I'll come with you for the ride. Yeah, good experience for you.
Yes, he is. He's
Millionaire, like Rickman, what you